For making the shaking hand band, we have to create a underhand loop on the left rope. That means that the running hand stays under the standing part. With the right one instead, we put it inside the loop from below. We pick a little bit of rope and then we put the rope over the standing part like this. So we have a underhand loop and a overhand loop. Then we take the rope on the right side and we put inside the two loops, always from below. Then we take this rope, the left one, and we put inside, also from this time from above, inside the loop, under the two ropes like this. And then we pull. We pull the standing part and running hand. As you can see, this knot has this form. And it's very useful when there are slippery ropes.